The ATM business versus the vending business. That's what this video is going to be all about. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck, and I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011, where I've been teaching people just like you how to start their own profitable and successful ATM business. So, the first thing that I think we need to get out in the open, sorry about this annoying little sling thing I have here. The first thing I want to get out in the open is that this whole ATM business versus vending business. The most important thing to realize is the ATM business is a vending business, guys. What? Yes, the ATM business is a vending business. An ATM machine is a vending machine. We're just vending a different kind of product. It's cash, right? So we're not vending gumballs, or we're not vending potato chips or soda. We're vending cold, hard cash, okay? That's the big thing I want you to take away from this, right? There's no either or. Like, the ATM business is a vending business. An ATM machine is a vending machine. It's just a different kind of vending machine, a different kind of vending business, right? Some things I will tell you, though, that I do like about the ATM business versus what we typically think of a vending business is, number one, the product that we have when it comes to the ATM business doesn't ever go stale, right? Cash doesn't go bad. Like, the cash inside your machine is not going to be stale. Your gumballs can go stale. I mean, I just had a gumball yesterday that was so freaking hard. I mean, I'm surprised I didn't even break a tooth, right? It was so hard. I'm a sucker for gumballs. So if you have gumball machines, my advice to you is to put them wherever I go, because I'm always known to be looking for a quarter. Ask my wife if she's got any quarters in her purse, right? But that's the thing about cash. Cash doesn't go stale, right? You might have stale product like Skittles, or maybe your chips go stale or something, but cash never goes stale. Right? Cash is never going to be bad, okay? You're not going to be like, oh, crap, this cash has been in here for a month and nobody took it out. I need to, get new cash. No. By the way, if your ATM is placed somewhere in a month and nobody takes it out, you need to move that baby. But another thing that I like about the ATM business versus, your typical vending choices is that you don't have to buy new inventory. You don't have to replenish your inventory, right? So if you have a gumball vending machine, or even a soda vending machine, or a snack vending machine, once people take all your product out, your machine is empty, right? I mean, that's obvious, common sense. You now, if you want to keep making money from that machine, have to put new product in. So you got to buy new gumballs, you got to buy new sodas, you got to buy new chips, and reload the machine. With the ATM business, you don't have to do that, right? You don't have to get new inventory. Let me just give an example. So if you put $1,000 inside your ATM machine, right? Put $1,000 in there, and people start taking that money out, right? Well, that money automatically gets put right back into your bank account. Like, there's a recycle process to that money. So if you start your ATM business, and your one ATM machine, putting $1,000 in that one ATM machine, you legit could spend the rest of your time with this ATM machine with that original $1,000 in it, and that's it, and never have to put new money in it. You can do that because that money gets constantly recycled. If you don't understand the cash recycle process when it comes to the ATM business, I'm going to put a link to a video right here. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll put it right here, and then I'll also put it at the end of this video in case you want to keep watching the rest of this video. There'll be a link to show you and explain to you the cash recycle process when it comes to the ATM business, right? Because it's not like, okay, let's say you want to put $1,000 in your ATM machine, okay? And we're taking a month. It's not like you need to put $4,000 total in there over the month. Right? It's not like you need $4,000, right? You get $1,000, and you put that same $1,000 in there 4 times, because it keeps going back into your bank account. Anyways, wait till the end of this video. I'll put a link to the cash recycle video, and you can learn more about the recycle process when it comes to the ATM business. That's something I really, really like about the ATM business versus your typical vending. You don't have to get new inventory, you know. There's obviously a cost difference sometimes when it comes to the ATM versus vending. The ATM machine, the machine that you and I typically are going to deal with is a $2,200 machine. So let's just say $2,000. So it's typically a $2,000 machine. All right. Yes, there are more expensive machines. Yes, there are. That's not really ones that we're most likely going to deal with. We're dealing with that $2,200 machine. When we talk about vending, there's all different prices for vending machines. Like if you have your typical, like a gumball machine, it could be a couple $100 or so, right? You could have like a fancy pants snack machine or fancy pants, soda vending machine. You're a couple of thousand, even more than that, for one of those machines. Or you can have like a really inexpensive, they call them honor boxes. Basically, it's a box that you sit out there and you put candy in it, and folks pay on the honor system. Like they have to know, okay, I'm taking this candy, I have to put money in there. But like the candy's not behind like this glass screen or anything. Like it's just literally a box and the candy's sitting there and it says pay here. So you're counting on the honor system of people paying you, right? So those honor boxes, they're really inexpensive, right? So the cost will vary. Plus with this, you're gonna with the actual vending, you're gonna actually have to get the product and keep buying the product over and over. But of course, that's what your profits are for as well, right? ATMs, you don't have to keep buying product. You just use your initial cash and just keep using that over and over. You can, of course, put more cash in if you want to fill it less, to fill the machine less. Another thing, so we talked about that. Oh, the profits. So the profits are going to vary as well. And just to be fair, when it comes to profits with the ATM business, we're talking about more expensive charges for the product, right? So we're talking about like $3 surcharges, or if you have a business, an ATM in a business, or maybe $4 or $5 or even more if you have it in like at an event, versus 25 cents for a gumball or 50 cents for like a plastic ball with a toy in it. You know what I mean? A plastic capsule with a toy in it, right? Yeah, you can get up there $1.25, $2 for soda. But so your profits are going to vary. Excuse me. With the ATM business, your average ATM in an average location is going to make you somewhere between $300 to $600 a month. Yes, you're going to have machines that make you more. We got a handful that do $1,000 or more a month, right? You're also going to have machines that make less, okay? Then that's going to be up to you to decide, okay, is that less amount okay with me, or do I want to pick up that machine and move it, right? If you are talking about ATM machines and putting them at events, your average event is going to make you somewhere between $500 to $2,000 per event, not per ATM, per event. So you might have one ATM at the event, you might have four. Okay, but an average event will make it between $500 to $2,000. And yes, you can have events that make you more, and you can have events that make you less, right? If they make you more, of course, obviously that's amazing. You keep doing that event. If they make you less, you're just going to judge and determine if you want to keep doing that event or not, right? When it comes to vending, you're going to get all different amounts. It depends on, what you're charging. Like if you have like a little honor box that, is not charging much, maybe you make $15 a month. Like maybe you have a gumball machine, you're making $25 a month or $50 a month, right? It's going to vary based on the product and based on, how often you're having to do re-up the inventory, right? How often people are taking it and you're needing to put new inventory in there. So that's going to vary. If you're watching this and you're familiar with the vending business and you know the average, post it below what average vending machine makes. I imagine that the ATM business, you're going to make more of a higher profit, just because the surcharges are higher. I mean that's just common sense. A $3 surcharge is higher than a 25-cent gumball machine. You know what I mean? A $3 surcharge is higher than a 50-cent toy that comes out of a machine. Like that's just common sense, right? There's nothing wrong with either. There's nothing wrong with the ATM business. There's nothing wrong with the vending business. Whether you have gumballs or a soda machine or snack machine or a toy machine, there's nothing wrong with them. Like it's passive income. You can't go wrong with passive income, guys. Okay, so don't fight about which is better or not. It's passive income. They're both freaking awesome, right? They're awesome, right? I'm a huge fan of multiple streams of passive income, right? I tell people, create multiple streams of passive income, not multiple streams of debt, right? So if you need to get started in vending, get started with the gumball machines, get started with the honor boxes, and then build your way up to ATMs if you need to. If you can start right off the bat with ATMs, go for it. You're gonna, probably make a higher ROI on your money than if you started with vendings, but not with like normal vending machines. But not everybody can do that, right? I get that, but as long as you're out there doing something that's putting some kind of passive income in your pocket, that is what's important. That's awesome, right? That's where you want to be at. You want to be constantly having passive income coming in, right? Whether it's vending machines, gumball machines, snack machines, soda machines, ATMs, it doesn't matter. It's all vending. It's all vending. They're all vending machines. You're just vending a different kind of product, okay? Now, if you would like to learn more about the ATM business, then I welcome you to go to ATMbusinessblueprint.com. There you will get my free ATM business roadmap, and that'll show you how I went from zero to generating $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month just by placing ATMs in local businesses. And of course, once you enter your email and then opt in to get that free roadmap, you'll also be on my mailing list, and then you'll get daily emails from me. Don't worry, they're entertaining, right? They're informative and entertaining. I'm not like a boring email person, but you'll learn more about the permanent placement side of the ATM business. You'll learn more about the mobile side of the ATM business, and you'll just learn more about the business. And then, of course, if you're like, you know what, Carey, I'm in. I need to do this ATM thing now. Then what I suggest you do is, as soon as you opt in to get that free report at atmbusinessblueprint.com, on the thank you page, it'll tell you a little bit about me mentoring folks. And at the bottom of that thank you page, there's a button. Just click on it. It'll take you to my application. You got to fill out the application, and then you'll be taken to my calendar, and you can schedule a call with my team. And then we'll get on the phone with you and figure out if one of my trainings are a fit, figure out what your goals are, and get you into the training that works best for you, or let you know what, I don't think it's a fit for you. Either way is okay. At least, we'll do what's best for you, right? So atmbusinessblueprint.com. Again, at the end of this video, I'm going to put a link to the cash recycle process when it comes to the ATM business, all right? Hopefully that was valuable to you. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below. If you have some suggestions on what you would like an upcoming video to be about, post that below too, all right? Don't forget to click on that ATM machine and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to like this video. Click the thumbs up for me, please. And share this video if you know somebody who would benefit from it. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.